Welcome everyone to this podcast where we are diving deep into the world of artificial intelligence. I'm your host Kashif, and today we have a special guest Sarah to help us explore the exciting and sometimes overwhelming landscape of AI.
Thank you for having me, Kashif. I'm excited to discuss this crucial topic.
Absolutely, Sarah. Let's get right into it. You have mentioned that when it comes to AI, adopt it or get left behind. Could you expand on that?
Certainly, Kashif. The rapid advancements in AI are transforming various industries. Businesses and individuals have the choice to embrace these changes and use AI to their advantage or risk falling behind. But here's the catch. Not every AI tool is a game changer. Many of them might seem promising, but they might not provide real value.
That a crucial point to consider. It's essential to separate the hype from the reality. So, what should people look for in AI tools?
AI tools should either help you make more money or save you valuable time. They should enhance your workflow, not complicate it. Let's dive into 7 AI tools that can do just that.
Perfect. Let's go through these tools. The first two you mentioned are 10web.io and durable.co. How can they help?
These tools can build entire websites for you using AI. They design, write copy, and source imagery, all in a matter of minutes. No more need for extensive coding or design skills. This can save you both time and money, and even help you start a business by providing these services to others.
That's a game changer for web development. Now you mentioned the Opus clip. How can it make short form content creation easier?
Opus Clip takes long-form content and transforms it into engaging short-form content with AI. It identifies the best hooks in videos and cuts out the less interesting parts, increasing the chances of going viral. This tool can save you time and money in video editing, and you can even build a business around it.
Excellent. Moving on to ChatGPT Writer. How can it help with email and writing tasks?
ChatGPT Writer is a Chrome extension that uses AI to reply to emails, simplifying email management. It's a time saver, making it easier to handle email communication efficiently.
That a real productivity boost. Now let's talk about Tidio. How does it leverage AI for customer support?
Tidio's AI chatbot, Lero, can replace or assist your support team. It answers customer questions and can handle advanced queries, ultimately improving customer satisfaction and potentially increasing sales.
Customer support efficiency is crucial. Now the Docu tool, how does it simplify reading and extracting information from documents?
Docu analyzes documents and allows you to ask questions about their content. It's a massive time saver as it eliminates the need to read through lengthy documents manually. It's perfect for students, professionals, and anyone dealing with extensive text.
I can see how that would be incredibly helpful. Now we have Microsoft Copilot. How does it streamline tasks related to Microsoft's suite of products?
Copilot is a versatile tool that complements Microsoft products. It can analyze data, create presentations, transcribe meetings, reply to emails, and much more. It streamlines tasks and makes your workflow more efficient.
Copilot seems like a productivity powerhouse. Lastly, Adobe Firefly. How can it revolutionize content creation?
Adobe Firefly is a generative AI tool that can create images from text, modify images, and turn sketches into photorealistic images. It opens up new possibilities for content creators and can save both time and money.
These AI tools are indeed game changers. Sarah, they can help business and individuals adapt to the evolving AI landscape. while saving time and increasing productivity. Thank you for your sharing these insights.
You're welcome, Kashif. It's crucial for everyone to understand how AI can be a valuable co-pilot in our daily endeavors.
Absolutely, and our listeners, remember to assess the AI tool carefully and choose the one that aligns with your goals. Thank you for joining us today, and until next time, stay tuned for more insights and innovation in the world of technology and AI.